My name is Yogesh Octavia Tuan Kota. You can call me Joy or Keisha, but mostly people call me Joy. And I'm 19 years old. I'm from Jurong, and right next to me is my friend.
And I'm Lutfia. You can call me Lutfi. My age 20 years old and my birthplace in Bondowoso.
And I have hobbies that I like to draw. I like listen some music. I like reading online comics and watch some anime. And I like doing all that stuff when I'm a little bit stressed, and that stuff is help me release my stress. And I have a goal that I want to be a chef and build my own restaurant. And my motivation is I should be a rich and independent woman.
Okay, nice. And I have a goal to influence person in society, and I want to be regions.
Okay, right now we're gonna talk about zero waste lifestyle. What is zero waste lifestyle is? Zero waste lifestyle is the way when you not use disposable item and practically we reduce our needs, reuse as much as possible, and recycle or compost what we cannot. In zero waste lifestyle that have five rules. They are reuse, recycle, and run.
Okay, and now I'm gonna explain more deeply the five rules of zero waste lifestyle. The first one is reviews. Reviews what you don't need. The first step to a zero waste lifestyle is to prevent the waste from entering your home in the first place. This includes saying no to promotional sample, junk mail, single-use disposable such as bags, straw, cups, and cutlery or any short life from of unnecessary item. Second, reduce what you do need. Reducing what you do need implies getting clear about what you need and being mindful about your purchasing decision. It means a lot to go of household items that are no longer of use and avoid impulse purchases such as buy one get two offers, discount products, and processed food among others. The third, reuse extends the useful life of the product. Reusing involves repairing instead of throwing and replacing products and switching single-use items by permanent alternatives. This includes replacing plastic bottles with stainless steel water bottles, for instance, using fabric bags, bamboo toothbrush, or buying unpacked food. Also, buying secondhand and visiting antique store. 4. Recycle what you cannot reduce or reuse. Recycling comes as the last option after reusing. Reduce and reuse it. The reason is nowadays we consume and dispose at a higher pace than we are capable of recycling. 5. Rot what is left. Rot or transform what is left. This applies many to organic waste coming from food. As a consumer, there are some methods to compost your household waste such as the bokashi method, garden compost, or vermicompost.
In my opinion about zero waste lifestyle, I think this is a good way to make our world more sustainable, like consume less, avoid use single-use items like plastic straw and styrofoam glasses. And Lutfia, what do you think about zero waste lifestyle? Did you agree or disagree about this lifestyle?
Okay, Joy. I agree with your opinions, Because zero waste is concept invite us to use disposable product more wisely, to reduce the more and impact of waste. The goal is to prevent waste from ending up in landfills, to protect research and preserve nature, like that.
Okay. And that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye
Bye.
guys.